Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue of iPhone screen when it's frozen and nothing is working. In order to do that, we have to use some button combination. I'm gonna explain first and then I'm gonna do it. First of all, we have to press and release the volume up button. After that, we are pressing and release the volume down button. And finally, we're pressing and holding the power button until the phone is forced to restart. We don't release our finger until the phone is restarted. So I will do it now by the order. Please make sure that you are pressing and releasing the buttons in the amount requested. Pressing and hold, releasing, pressing and hold, and finally I'm pressing the power button and waiting the phone to start again. When waiting my phone to restart, I don't release my finger until it's restarting, and now my phone is restarting and I release my finger. Waiting to open, and now our phone has restarted. I will unlock the screen and voila, our frozen screen has removed. Everything is working fine. Also the signal has come back and everything is good to go. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.